Right everyone, a massive thanks for watching me, Dad Loves Food on YouTube. On this video, I'm going to show you how to ride an electric scooter from Villa Florence in Icmeler, Old Town Icmeler, just near Grand Aquarium Hotel, Tommy's Cafe and the petrol station. Hi Ted.
I don't want to go with you.
What? Get on the back. Jump on. And I'm going to show you how to get to Best Bargain Buys in Icmeler, one of the main roads in Icmeler. Let's take a look.
I was born follow you.
Thank you very much, love. This is 1 of 4 back.
Nice.
Finish.
One,
Good.
1 of 4.
two,
2 of 4 back.
2, 4. Yeah, it's good.
And that's how you get from Old Town Icmeler to Tony Macaroni on the main road in Icmeler, the same road as Best Bargain Buys.
Do you want a little?
Subscribe to Dad Loves Food on YouTube and I'll see you all on the next one. Get up there.